Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the sleep sack fits your baby's age and weight. That prevents hip or neck issues. You'll dress them in a single layer that complements the sack's warmth, aiming for an overall 1 tog equivalent. This keeps temperature stable. Next, lay baby on their back on a clear, firm mattress. No pillows, blankets, or toys. Once done, slide the sack under their shoulders carefully so the arm openings align. Make sure zippers are closed, and the neck opening is snug but not tight. With the sleep sack positioned, pull each shoulder seam down so armholes sit flush with the baby's shoulders. This prevents the sack from riding up. Zip or snap the fasteners in one smooth motion and confirm any zipper guard or fabric flap fully covers the slider to prevent chin pinching. Adjust the bottom so the legs have room to flex. Hips should move naturally. If you can fit 2 fingers flat between the neck edge and the baby's collarbone, you've got a safe clearance. Make small adjustments. Recheck before finish by observing the baby for a minute. Watch that the sack stays below the shoulders when they wiggle and that breathing is easy. If the baby feels warm to the touch or sweats, remove an inner layer or switch to a lower tog sleep sack. Overheating is the bigger risk. If the zipper jams or fabric frays, stop using the sack until you repair or replace it. One troubleshooting tip. If the sack keeps riding up, try a slightly larger size or confirm armholes aren't twisted. This usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.